Hello and welcome back to part 2 of this video. In this part, I will do some tests with the system. I'll do DOSBench, try out most tests, and then also do CheckIt. In this video, I'll do a few flashbacks from tests I did earlier. When you see a flashback, you'll see this. After the flashback, we go back to the current tests. Together, we get a full picture of all the tests for this system. Let's say system. I also need to check this keyboard because when I press space, it does 2 spaces sometimes. When I press it on the left side, you see that? We also have to look into that. DOSBench. DOSBench. You see I removed those options, the quick options. It's just a simple editing of the batch file. Nothing special. If you want to know more about it, I could show you.
Okay, I'll show you how I do it. I just opened Notepad++, and let's zoom in a little. Here we have the menu. See, then we just remove this, that, move this one, like that. E. So it's out of the menu, but it's still, so if you would press C, you would still go to C. C would be Quake, this one. So that's 12, 13, and 14. You don't have to remember these numbers, just these 3 ones. And we'll just empty them. So we have Quick 3 here. Like that. Like that. Like that. So it will look like nothing will happen. It will just go back to the menu. You won't see a thing. And then you do save. You have a menu without the Quick.
I'm going to redo the video because it was out of focus and the brightness and contrast were bad. I didn't check the video after recordings. Yeah, my bad. You saw shortly what type of video card I'm using. It's a S3 Trio32. I'm going all out with expandable memory, etc, etc. What do we call it? 2024. Time 8/18. F3. We'll start with 1. 3D DOSBench, slower PCs. $66.6. The same. Wow. 2. Second one. $46.9 for faster PCs. So that's still good. Number 3, Chris's 3D benchmark. I also like that one. You can see sometimes the PC has a hard time with it because you see these cut off frames, these blocky parts, but still 43 frames per second. It's not bad. 4. Here, he's having a hard time with this one. I'll show you. So this takes a while. Wow, 12.1 frames. That's bad. Okay, PC player benchmark 5. 16.6. And that's going in a beep. Oh, a beep. Now do the benchmark and then higher resolution, 6. It's a 6.0. Ouch. Okay, Doom and low resolution, low detail, everything. He handles this quite well. .8 frames per second. That's fast. Now challenge Doom with maximum detail. .13 frames per second. System information check, K. Yeah, this is all detail information. We know this. VESA compatible VGA, true. All interrupts. Next. This is a nice part. Okay. Exit. Landmark. System speed test. Oh. Skip the memory check. Landmark. FPU, CPU scale, F3, F4. And F5, F6 video scale. Okay, all good. I'm not gonna do Speedsys because the computer will hang. Cause let's press N. System sys. See if it hangs again. It still hangs at the year 2000 bug. So it is a bug. No, I don't know. We can't use this test somehow. Well, I didn't know. Well, too bad. It's not the end of the world. Let's do Topbench. Let's run 225. Score for Topbench. Let's do press to abort. We can do the program itself. Check CPU S. Cache check T. Wow, I don't know exactly what it did there. Last time it did something else. Cache check. What is it checking? Is it still checking? Hey, oh, okay. CPU is in V86 mode. Timings may not be accurate. This machine seems to have both L1 and L2 cache read. L1 cache 16 kilobytes and L2 cache 264 kilobytes. That's also something we're going to upgrade. I want to upgrade it to 512 kilobytes of L2 cache. It probably has to do that I'm not fully loaded the expandable memory or extended memory. VGA boost U. Failed. Ouch. Z back to DOS. Okay. Only thing I want to check is Topbench for this video. Topbench. This will do a real-time benchmarking and it will compare the speeds to processors it has in its database. So it will check what CPU comes closest to the data I'm receiving from this old computer. So he says a Cyrix 486 DX2. Well, it's not bad. This motherboard can actually comprehend a Cyrix. Well, it's funny, last time it did it, it gave different results. I want to do this check again. Will expanded memory. Yeah, as long as we haven't changed the battery, because we're going to do that, I have to type in this stuff. Topbench. Oh yeah, it will say, oh, can't do it. Real-time benchmarking. Now it says Pentium 75 clone and the Phoenix, what was it? Phoenix 386 and the Actor P150. That's also very close to the real deal, only it's calling it AM486 DX4. So a little different results, a bit lower score. It's about 220 score in the upper left corner. I'm gonna do another video about CheckIt. Configuration. AT machine, yes. Printer ports, memory map, all looks good. Reserved. Interrupts. Let's try if it works this time. Yes. That's okay. Test everything. No. Memory. Run memory test. No. Yeah, let's do it. Yes. not test it? No, because I haven't activated it. Hard disk, we're not going to do the hard disk. I already done that. Well, it failed 3 times at 127 cylinders and heads 5 of that cylinder, and it's a DOS file. So that explains. Here is the report. It failed. Is there more information about the file? DOS file area C drive. I think I have to do a format. I also want to get rid of that MBR virus I had. It was loaded into my MBR. Done that. System board. That all passed. Real-time clock. It failed. DOS time didn't check. Oh, and it failed the real-time clock alarm. Compare elapsed time. Failed. Escape. Serial ports. Video. Let's do the video check. All tests. That went smooth. Nice. Colors look good. Yes. 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 Nice. Blinking correct. Yes. Blinking correct. Even reverse. Yes. Underlined. Yes. All the colors. Yeah, you can see all. Nice coloring. Yes, the lines look straight. There's nothing wrong with my CRT or with output. Only it's just within the borders of my screen. Highest detail. Here it goes, just a little bit above my screen. Colors look good. CGA. These all look good. And the left upper corner, the 2 blacks are slightly different. And at the bottom, I think the blue is the last to see. Yes. Yes, red. Yes, green. Yes, blue. Super. Benchmark main system. Okay, that's nice. Video. That looks good.
Those were a lot of tests. We'll look at the differences after the upgrades. In the next video, we'll take apart the whole computer and we're going to see what's inside. I hope you liked this video. It was just very simple, just showing some benchmarks, nothing much. Next video will be more exciting. Bye.